Watercraft have always captured the imagination of adventurers, engineers and thrill seekers. From sleek jet-powered speedsters to vehicles that look like they belong in a sci-fi movie, today's watercraft are more innovative and mind-blowing than ever. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through the top 10 insane watercraft you won't believe exist. Some of these vessels redefine physics, others push the boundaries of technology, but all of them will leave you amazed. Let's dive in. Kicking off our list is the futuristic and adrenaline-pumping SeaBreacher. The SeaBreacher isn't just a watercraft, it's a cross between a jet ski and a stunt plane. Designed to look like marine animals such as sharks, dolphins or orcas, the SeaBreacher is as much a showpiece as it is a thrill machine. This two-seater vessel can dive below the surface, jump out of the water and perform barrel rolls, delivering an experience unlike any other. Powered by a 260 horsepower engine, it reaches speeds of 50 miles per hour on the surface and 25 miles per hour underwater. It's controlled via a joystick system, making it feel like you're piloting a fighter jet beneath the waves. The SeaBreacher's interior is just as impressive, with features like a panoramic canopy, a waterproof sound system, and even an air conditioning option. It's perfect for thrill seekers looking to turn heads while enjoying the open water. At number 9, we have the Jet Capsule, a compact, futuristic mini-yacht that looks like it belongs in a James Bond movie. Measuring just over 25 feet long, the Jet Capsule offers luxury on a small scale. Despite its size, it features a spacious cabin that can accommodate up to 12 passengers. Its sleek design is powered by a 370 horsepower engine, giving it a top speed of 50 miles per hour. The Jet Capsule is customizable, with options for solar panels, rooftop decks and even bulletproof glass. Some models are equipped with advanced navigation systems, making them ideal for both leisure and short-distance travel. Whether you're exploring coastal waters or hosting a floating party, the Jet Capsule is guaranteed to make an impression. Luxury and speed meet at number 8 with the Wally 118 Superyacht, one of the most extraordinary vessels ever built. This sleek carbon fiber yacht stretches over 118 feet and is powered by 3 gas turbines, delivering an astounding 17,000 horsepower. It can reach a top speed of 70 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest yachts in the world. The Wally 118 isn't just about speed, it's a floating masterpiece of design and luxury. The minimalist interior features state-of-the-art materials, spacious lounges and luxurious cabins. With its angular design and striking black finish, it's not just a yacht, it's a statement piece for those who want to turn heads on the water. Next up, the Gibbs Aquada, a high-speed amphibious vehicle that seamlessly transitions between land and water. The Gibbs Aquada looks like a sleek sports car, but it can drive straight into the water and transform into a speedboat in under 15 seconds. Powered by a 175 horsepower engine, it reaches speeds of 100 miles per hour on land and 30 miles per hour on water. This amphibious marvel was famously used by Sir Richard Branson to cross the English Channel in 2004, setting a record of just 1 hour and 40 minutes. The Aquada's cutting-edge design and versatility make it a game-changer for those who want the best of both worlds. At number 6, we're shifting gears to the military world with the USS Zumwalt, a futuristic stealth destroyer that looks like it's straight out of a sci-fi blockbuster. The USS Zumwalt is the largest and most advanced destroyer ever built for the US Navy. Measuring 610 feet long, it features a cutting-edge stealth design that makes it nearly invisible to radar. Powered by an electric propulsion system, it has a top speed of 30 knots and a range of 8,000 nautical miles. The $4 billion vessel is armed with advanced weaponry, including long-range guided missiles and railguns capable of firing projectiles at hypersonic speeds. Its futuristic design and unparalleled technology make it one of the most jaw-dropping watercraft on the planet. Now for something truly wild. The Flyboard Air, a jet-powered personal watercraft that lets you fly above the waves. The Flyboard Air isn't your traditional watercraft. It's essentially a hoverboard powered by jet turbines, allowing users to soar up to 10,000 feet in the air at speeds of 93 miles per hour. Controlled by a handheld throttle and gyroscopic stabilization, it's as close as you can get to feeling like a superhero. The Flyboard Air is still in the experimental phase, but its potential applications range from extreme sports to search and rescue missions. With its revolutionary design, it's a glimpse into the future of waterborne adventures. At number 4, we have the Proteus, a modular underwater habitat and research station designed to revolutionize marine exploration. Developed by Fabien Cousteau, grandson of the legendary Jacques Cousteau, the Proteus is envisioned as an underwater international space station. It will house scientists, researchers, and even tourists, providing a base for long-term studies of marine ecosystems and climate change. Powered by renewable energy sources like wind and solar, the Proteus represents a new frontier in ocean exploration. It's still in development, but when completed, it will allow humans to live and work underwater for extended periods, unlocking the mysteries of the deep sea. Breaking into the top 3, we have the Submarine Sports Car, a real-life aquatic vehicle inspired by James Bond's Lotus Esprit in The Spy Who Loved Me. This fully functional sports car doubles as a personal submarine. On land, it drives like a regular car, but once in the water, it transforms into an underwater explorer capable of diving up to 33 feet. Its electric motors ensure silent operation, making it ideal for observing marine life without disturbing the ecosystem. With a sleek design and cutting-edge engineering, the Submarine Sports Car is the ultimate blend of luxury, innovation, and adventure. Taking the runner-up spot is the SeaBreacher Shark, a semi-submersible watercraft that looks and moves like an actual shark. The SeaBreacher Shark can dive, jump, and perform acrobatic maneuvers, mimicking the movements of a real shark. Powered by a 300 horsepower engine, it reaches speeds of 60 miles per hour on the surface and 25 miles per hour underwater. Its cockpit offers panoramic views, giving the pilot an unmatched sense of immersion. This watercraft is a favourite among thrill seekers and has even been used in movies and water shows. Its unique design and adrenaline-pumping capabilities make it one of the coolest watercraft ever built. And finally, at number 1, we have the Migaloo submarine yacht, the epitome of luxury and innovation. The private submarine yacht is a billionaire's dream. It combines the elegance of a superyacht with the stealth and exclusivity of a submarine. Measuring up to 377 feet long, the Migaloo can dive to depths of 1,500 feet, offering unmatched privacy and security. The Migaloo features luxury suites, a helipad, a swimming pool, and even a cinema. It's powered by a hybrid propulsion system, ensuring silent operation beneath the waves. With a price tag rumoured to be in the billions, the Migaloo is the ultimate symbol of wealth and technological prowess. And there you have it, the top 10 insane watercraft you won't believe exist. Which one was your favourite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more jaw-dropping content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.